Hey, it's Melissa with the East Elementary School PTO. Just wanted to come to you with a couple of announcements. We haven't had any meetings lately, and as we start this second half of this school year, just wanted to go over a couple things that we have coming up. First of all, we're really excited about a popcorn pajamas and movie day that will be on February 19th at East Elementary School. You'll see a form coming home soon, and it's a $3 donation to the PTO for your child to be able to wear their pajamas. We will provide the popcorn, and a movie that's grade appropriate will be played in the classroom. So we are really excited about that coming up, so look for those forms. Also this year, wanted to let you know about the Shamrock Shuffle. To protect the students and our volunteers, we have made the decision to make it virtual. But we do have a couple of new options, and we are still excited about it. It is our 5th year, so we do hope that you will still support the Shamrock Shuffle, get out with your family, friends, and be safe, and go ahead and still run the 5K. Also, we are going to have a 1 mile option that will take place for East Elementary students in their during their PE time. For $20, they will be able to still get a shirt and a medal, and that will take place the week of March 15th during that week. And for the Shamrock Shuffle official date was March 13th. So if you do complete the 5K during that week from March 13th through that following weekend, and you tag the PTO on Facebook, then you will be entered into a drawing for a Dick's $50 gift card. So love to see your pictures, still dress up and support the PTO as you always have. So look for those forms and information to come home soon as well. The 5K will cost $25 and the 1 mile $20, and both will have a shirt and medal. Also, just wanted to mention about the Clorox and the Lysol wipes that you have so graciously been sending in. Just like you, the PTO is limited typically to 1 container as well. The Walmart on 157 was gracious enough to hold an additional like 20 containers for us that we purchased for the teachers, but those are used all day, every day, and go quickly. So if you are still able to send those in for your child's classroom, that's greatly appreciated. That really helps out a lot as well. Also, in October, we had sent out forms to help stock the teacher lounges. They loved it. Those snacks have lasted up until about now. So we were hopeful to have another kind of snack drive. Love the chocolate. So as we're in February, lots of chocolate out there. So if you see some that you want to be able to send in to your child's classroom, we'll be sending out another letter just with each grade, specific snacks. So that kind of gives a variety for the classroom. But just with, if you're able, sending that in really does just help to uplift the teachers during this crazy time that we're in. And just wanted to let you know that the PTO, through your donations, and we're just trying to continue to lift them up with small gifts. We've done candles, coffee. We've done a couple of lunches. We have another lunch coming up on February 19th. So we look forward to showering the teachers and the faculty and just telling them thank you and how appreciative we are of all they do for us. So just wanted to come to you this morning just to say, hey, haven't seen you in a while, and to kind of go over a couple announcements that we have coming up, and hope you have a great day. Thanks.